Hello and welcome to Best Way Websites. In this video tutorial we'll be going over the image element. Now this is just an image, so there's going to be no text assigned to it. It'll be number 7 in the basic elements of your toolbox, as you can see right here. And just like any other element, we're going to drag and drop this over. And if you're familiar with the image plus text element, the image section is the exact same as this. So we're going to need to title our image. And as you can see, we've titled it Glass of Water. If I needed to, I could set up link options here for inner link and outer link for linking to a page on my website, a file, or an image. Or if it's an outer link, I can just paste in a URL there. By default, outer links open up to a new window, and inner links, i.e. links that are within your own website, are the same. And then for selecting the image, you can either add a new image directly, which if you tap on this, it'll open up the pop-out for opening up the File Explorer. You would select the image here, that'll open up the File Explorer. You'll get a preview of it and the option to overwrite an image if it's a new image with the same file name, and create a thumbnail. Then you would just upload the image. But the image we have is already on here, clear cold drink JPEG. That's the image that I want. If we need, I can add a watermark. You can see there's our Genie logo. That's actually an old logo and a little bit of an Easter egg. Watermark settings is in a separate video tutorial where you can set that up. Image width for content, you can do 25, 33, 50, 75, or 100% width of the content, i.e. the area where all of the text and images go on your website. If you have no parameter set, it will just default to the basic image size. This one's 1000 pixels wide, which is kind of the maximum size. I usually like to go 50% or 33% depending on what the image is. And if you know custom coding, you can add image ID and custom styles to it. You have a little example there if you hover over it. And then lastly, you can align it center, left, or right. Center is default because that works best for mobile and desktop or laptops. And then image scroll effects if you have that set up for your website and want it to be a little bit more fancy. So we'll go ahead and save and publish. Then we'll just open up the page, and as you can see, it's right there. Now if I wanted to change the alignment so that it shows up on the left, we head back here and reload, and now it'll be on this side. Now just as one final example, I want to showcase what it's like when you have a separate paragraph and separate image elements on the page here. So you'll see the lorem ipsums are above and below, but there's nothing in this blank area here. If I wanted text to show up in this area, I would need to use the image plus text element. But if you want it to be separate, you can do that and have blank areas. If you do that, we recommend having it in the center alignment. So that'll cover the image element. I hope that this video helps, and thank you for choosing Best Way Websites.